Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all a Numi haul, but specifically we're going to be talking about jumpsuits or cord sets, etc. I really hope you guys would enjoy watching, and without any further delay, let's begin. Also, I'm going to be sharing my honest review with you guys because this is the first time that I've ever shopped from Numi. And let's start with the first item. So as soon as I saw the first item, I was like, I have to get this because it's more so of a bohemian vibe. That is why I thought of ordering it in the first place. It's a very beautiful jumpsuit. It has this string kind of detailing on top of it which you can tie. Honestly, it looks so beautiful, you guys. The quality is up to the mark, I have to say that. So a thumbs up for the quality. It's really good quality. At the same time, I feel like if you accessorize it right, it's such a good piece for you guys to shop for because you can style it in a number of different ways. I thought of styling it in a bohemian way by actually wearing a choker or maybe some oxidized jewelry, but you can totally skip on that and actually make a high ponytail and wear hoops or something like that and style it in a very casual way. So I really like how the piece can be styled in so many different ways. It's versatile, fits really well, the quality is great, would highly recommend. As you guys know, you can never go wrong with denim, and I always try to include one or the other denim pieces in my videos here and there. So I've also ordered a denim jumpsuit from Numi. It's a very beautiful yet casual jumpsuit. I absolutely love it. Denim on denim can never go wrong, and I feel like this looks so pretty. Can be styled in so many different ways, and I love the quality. It has pockets, which is a plus one, a brownie point for sure. At the same time, I feel like this is a really good outfit if you're going out for brunch with your friends, going to a mall, or maybe going out for a casual outing or something like that where you want to dress semi-formal. I feel like this is a really good option for you guys because not only does it look casual, at the same time it looks elegant. It looks as if you've put in the effort to actually create an outfit, and that is why I love shopping for jumpsuits because they are very effortless. At the same time, it looks like you've put in a lot of effort while curating that particular look. I love the fit, I love everything about this and would highly recommend. So for the third item, we have a beige corset. Now when I ordered it, I thought that it is going to be perfect for vacations or beach vibes or something like that. But I am not really impressed with the way it looks. I feel like it doesn't look up to the mark. Something is off about it. Maybe, styling can make it a little better, but I feel like it's not the best. Like, it's not what I thought in my head. Nothing is wrong with the outfit as such, but I just feel like I was expecting much more from this particular outfit and the way it would look. If you guys ask me my thoughts about this, I really don't like it a lot. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not that great as well. It's a 50-50 for me. If you're looking for an outfit that you can wear at home or some casual day out for summers, I feel like it's great, but it's not that great for vacations, right? So the idea that I had in my head, it doesn't really match with that. That is why I feel like it's a 50-50 on bet for me. For the last outfit, I actually ordered a dungaree. I always love ordering dungarees because I feel like they're so classic. They're such a go-to, and at the same time, I feel like you can never go wrong with them. Now, I ordered this very beautiful denim dungaree. It fits perfectly. It's a little loose on me, but I love the quality. It's actually of really great quality. It looks really good. It looks very different than other dungarees that I own, which is something that I really like. So it stands out that ways. And at the same time, I feel like it's a really good piece to own if you don't own one. The only thing that is a little different about this particular clothing item is the fabric. So when I ordered this clothing item, I wasn't really expecting it to be for winter. I was expecting it to be for summers, but the fabric is thick like that, so it's not appropriate for summers, which is something that I wanted to mention right here. So that was all about our mini little Numi haul. I also have another small little segment for this haul, which is about bottom wear. So make sure that you check that out. Subscribe to the channel in case you're new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.